Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how some people achieve tremendous wealth and financial freedom, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of investments and exploring 15 lucrative assets that have the power to make you rich. Investing in the right assets can be a game changer, propelling your financial future to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your wealth-building journey, this video is packed with valuable insights and real-life examples of individuals who have turned these assets into massive fortunes. So, grab your notepads and get ready to learn about a wide range of wealth-building opportunities, from traditional investments like real estate and stocks to emerging fields like cryptocurrencies and peer-to-peer lending. We'll showcase successful investors and entrepreneurs who have leveraged these assets to create extraordinary wealth. Are you ready to discover the secrets to financial prosperity? Let's dive into the world of 15 lucrative assets that can make you rich. Investment number 1, real estate. Real estate is one of the most traditional ways to build wealth. It offers both steady income and potential appreciation. For example, Donald Trump, the former president of the United States, built his fortune through real estate investments. By acquiring and developing properties, he amassed a vast portfolio and created a name synonymous with luxury real estate. 2. Stocks. Stocks are another popular asset class. By purchasing shares in companies, you can benefit from their growth and dividends. Warren Buffett, often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, is one of the world's richest individuals and has amassed his wealth primarily through stock investments. His investment strategies and long-term approach have yielded significant returns over time. Number 3, bonds. Bonds are fixed income securities that provide steady interest payments. Billionaire investor George Soros has leveraged bond investments to grow his wealth over the years. His expertise in macroeconomic trends and currency speculation has allowed him to capitalize on bond market movements and generate substantial returns. 4. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have been making headlines lately. Early adopters like the Winklevoss twins, Tyler and Cameron, who invested in Bitcoin, have become billionaires as the value of cryptocurrencies soared. Their belief in the transformative power of blockchain technology and their early entry into the market positioned them for immense financial success. 5. Mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of assets. Legendary investor Peter Lynch achieved exceptional returns while managing the Fidelity Magellan Fund, making him one of the most successful mutual fund managers. His ability to identify promising companies and ride long-term trends contributed to his success. Investment number 6, art and collectibles. Art and collectibles can be lucrative investments. Billionaire hedge fund manager Steve Cohen has built a significant art collection, including masterpieces by Picasso and Van Gogh, which has appreciated in value over time. His passion for art, combined with his astute investment decisions, has contributed to his overall wealth. 7. Precious metals. Precious metals like gold and silver have been storehouses of value for centuries. Billionaire investor John Paulson made a fortune by betting against subprime mortgages and investing heavily in gold. His prescient investment moves during the 2008 financial crisis led to substantial profits and solidified his reputation as a shrewd investor. 8. Rental properties. Rental properties provide a consistent cash flow. Real estate tycoon Sam Zell has accumulated immense wealth through his vast portfolio of commercial and residential properties. Zell's ability to identify undervalued properties and his expertise in property management have been key factors in his success. 9. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow individuals to lend money directly to borrowers. Prosper Marketplace co-founder Chris Larsen has leveraged P2P lending to amass substantial wealth and become a billionaire. His vision for creating an alternative lending system and his ability to navigate the evolving financial technology landscape have been instrumental in his financial success. 10. Intellectual property. Intellectual property, such as patents, copyrights, and trademarks, can be highly valuable. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, became one of the richest people in the world by leveraging his software patents. The widespread use of Microsoft's operating systems and applications has generated substantial royalty income, contributing to Gates' vast wealth. 11. Index funds. Index funds are a type of mutual fund that passively tracks a specific market index. Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group, popularized index funds and helped countless investors grow their wealth. Bogle's emphasis on low-cost investing and his commitment to providing broad market exposure has revolutionized the investment industry and empowered individual investors. 12. Peer-to-peer real estate investing. Peer-to-peer real estate platforms allow investors to pool their funds to invest in larger real estate projects. Robert Stiller, founder of Green Mountain Coffee Roasters, invested in real estate through crowdfunding platforms, contributing to his overall wealth. Stiller's ability to identify promising real estate opportunities and leverage the power of collective investment has played a crucial role in his financial success. 13. Venture capital. Venture capital involves investing in early-stage companies with high growth potential. Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal and an early investor in Facebook, has become a billionaire by making strategic venture capital investments. Thiel's ability to identify disruptive companies and provide them with the necessary capital and guidance has made him a notable figure in the tech investment landscape. 14. Rental businesses. Starting a rental business can be a lucrative asset. Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin Group, has built an empire of rental businesses, including airlines, hotels, and even private islands. Branson's ability to identify gaps in the market, provide unique experiences, and deliver exceptional customer service has contributed to his vast wealth. 15. Royalties. Royalties can provide passive income for creators. J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, has accumulated significant wealth through book sales and associated royalties. Rowling's imagination and storytelling prowess, combined with the global popularity of her books, have made her one of the wealthiest authors in the world. And there you have it. We've explored 15 assets that have the potential to make people rich, along with examples of individuals who have achieved great success in each field. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these assets are you most interested in? Are there any other assets you believe should be on this list? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, remember to invest wisely and diversify your portfolio. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.